Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to optimize YouTube video embed on WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to optimize the YouTube embed video, we need to install a plugin. Okay, so for that, we simply go inside the plugin and click on the add a new plugin here. Okay, so here what we can do, we have to install EmbedPress here and you will be able to see the EmbedPress plugin here. So we have to install this. Okay, so let's click on the install. Okay, so we have successfully installed the EmbedPress here. So let's click on the activate plugin. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the dashboard of EmbedPress here. So in the EmbedPress, as you can see this, we have the general settings, we have the shortcodes, we have the source elements and branding. So in the general settings, as you can see this, I can set the default width and height of iframe here. And we can also set the lazy load, but it is the part of the pro version. And we can also set the PDF custom color. And after that, we have the shortcode. So if you want to generate the shortcode for your link, for your YouTube link or for any kind of link, you can simply generate it from here. And after that, we have sources. Okay, so these are the sources which is supported by EmbedPress. As you can see this, we have a lot of the different options here. So all of these options, all of these websites are supported by EmbedPress. Okay, and after that we have elements. So in the elements, we have the Gutenberg element, we have the Elementor element, and we have the classic editor element. Okay, and in the last, we have branding. So in the branding, as you can see this, we have the global branding settings, which is turned on. And after that, we have the custom logo. And in the custom logo, all of the options are actually the part of Pro version. So if you want to use the custom logo setting, you would have to purchase the Pro version of EmbedPress. Okay. Alright, so let's just learn to use the EmbedPress to optimize our embedded YouTube video. Okay, so let's click on the post here and let's just try to create a new post here. Okay, so let's just create our post here. So let's write down optimizing embedded YouTube video. Okay, so now if you want to embed the YouTube video in the WordPress, that is really easy. All you need to do is to paste the URL of the video that you want to embed. So let's just paste the URL here. You will be able to see that it would automatically convert the link into the embedded video because it automatically recognizes it as the YouTube video. So that is how you can directly embed the YouTube video. But the problem here is that we don't have a lot of the options here. Okay. So as you can see here, we only have the options of the margin. And if I go inside the advanced settings, you can see this, I can only provide the block name and additional CSS classes here, nothing more than that. Okay, so how can we optimize this? Okay, so let's just remove this first. Now let's click on the add block here. And here, let's just search for EmbedPress. Okay, so let's click here. And let's just paste the URL here of our video. Okay, and click on the embed. Now we can see here that when we embedded the video with the help of EmbedPress, you can see a lot of the different options here in the settings. We have the different options to customize here. Okay, so the first one is actually the video size, in which we have the two different options. The first one is fixed and another one is responsive. So if I just select the responsive, now you can see this, we would have the width and this would automatically adjust the width of embedded content. Okay, so after that, what we have the video controls. So if I just go inside the video controls, you will be able to see that we have the custom player here. And so if I just enable this, now you can see the option of the preset here. So the current preset is the default, but if you want to change the preset here, you would have to purchase the Pro version of this plugin. After that, we have start time and end time here, and we have the player color, which is also the part of the Pro version as well. Okay, so we can also autoplay the video as well. So if you want to enable the autoplay, you can simply do it from here. After that, we have the option to full screen button, restart, rewind, and you can also see the other options here. And we can also upload the thumbnail, but this is still the part of the Pro version. And if I just go inside the custom branding, you can see this, it is a part of Pro version. We also have this content protection. And after that, we have the social share. If you want to enable the social share, you can simply do it from here. So let's enable this. And in the last, you can see this, we have the advanced settings. All right. So in the advanced settings, we have the block name and the additional CSS. So in the social share, as you can see this, now we have the option to share our video on the different platform of the social media. So this is how we can optimize embedded YouTube video on the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.